for nothing short of a victory here tonight. Big match for him here tonight. With the tag is Seth Rollins.
The human body can only absorb so much of that.
If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly. Looking for all the glory here.
Since Roman Reigns and he did it. What a huge win.
Here are your winners, Roman Reigns, Seth Rollins, and Dean Ambrose.
Roman Reigns wins here in impressive fashion.
Man, this guy looks like he's ready to tear through the entire locker room. And I wouldn't put it past him.
Well, for everybody's sake, let's hope that's the last one of these matches we see in a long time.